Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing one topic that is city creation, basically. And city creation is one of the solution of the 20% global warming error, basically. And that is actually not error; it's a one solution, basically. In this, basically, we are discussing about one topic that is city creation. In this, basically, 20% error basically is there in the education sector. That actually topic we are discussing. For that, basically, lots of things basically has created, basically. In this, basically, lots of people says that basically whoever basically goes against the system, basically they basically gets lots of trouble basically in the entire life, basically entire life, basically they gets lots of trouble. Why basically you have gone against the system, basically reason behind that might be something reason, basically. So here basically we are talking about that the most dangerous parts, that is 11 parts basically has been done of the earth planet. One of the person told that basically to remember basically the 11 parts has been done, basically is there any incidents basically created in this earth planet, or basically is there any uh, creation basically has happened in the earth planet, basically. Then one of the person told that basically might be created, basically might be created. Reason basically whenever the division divide basically data basically has to be prepared, basically that time basically it's easy to prepare from the earth planet only. So basically mostly basically 11 parts basically which is going to divide, basically for example Asia is going to divide from the earth planet. So that basically him the person basically who created the world, he might have created one city, basically, or basically it might possible that he might have created one trees, basically, or basically he might have created some buildings, basically, or basically it might possible that he might have created some IT industry, basically, that is the cyber park, basically IT park, basically might be possible, basically. So he will takes their data from there, literal dumps to the land, basically, so that basically the land will get in the mode of the division, that is the division divide mode, basically that is 11 partition mode, basically. So that is like that, basically. So the earth planet is 100% divided in certain level of parts, basically, and the parts is basically divided reason the certain level of big level task, basically which was 100% going to happen, basically. That means if he divides the land, basically that means he is 100% going to do some big level task, basically 100%, basically, sorry, not 100%, 98% basically. So in this basically this all basically earth planet basically can't do, right? This all stuff basically earth planet people, they can just prepare the energy, basically, but they can't divide the land, basically that is not possible, basically. Lots of people say that they basically tried, but they were not able to do. So 11 parts basically has divided. So Asia, assume that basically Asia parts is going to divide. For that basically he might have created one city, basically, or basically might be created some land, basically, or basically might be created some infotech park, basically where software company exists. They will be using this data, basically. For example, one person told that what is software for example, Sunil, you are in software industry, so what is software industry's contribution in this partition, basically. Then basically one of the person told that one of Sunil basically told that basically we have the basically data. For example, we have created text box equal to 1,000 cities, combo box equal to 1,000 cities, checkbox equal to 1,000 cities, radio button equal to 1,000 cities. This type of thing basically we have created. So from that basically one of the part basically might be getting used in device, basically. That case basically can be anything, basically. So in this 11 parts basically assume that basically Asia parts basically are getting divided. So some of the division part, basically some of the layer of the, for example, earth planet basically when gets divided, basically that basically gets divided, assume that basically 18 layers basically are basically in the land, basically. So 18 groups basically are created to divide the Asia land, basically. So it's not easy task, basically. It's not easy task also, basically you can say that, basically, because earth planet is moving at the speed basically that you can understand, basically. In that basically you have to divide the thing, you have to do your 2 to 3 minute task, that basically which task basically that we that's our basically mostly basically more than 1 lakh task might be there, basically more than 1 lakh task might be there, basically. So that whole task basically you have to just within 2-3 minutes basically you have to do. So that's basically not easy task basically. So that's why basically each and every group basically give the contribution, that also you can say basically. So here basically the stuff basically are not easy basically. One of the person told like that basically. So 1300 basically is like this basically we have discussed this whole thing basically, right? Now basically the 1300 cities basically gets earthquake. That also basically we discussed on the base of these 22 blood groups, and on the base of the blood groups basically the earthquake comes, incidence happens. Incidence basically is given to the set of countries basically that are basically everybody knows that are China, Japan, America, this all, and that group basically use the education sectors basically in the stuff basically that are this group basically. So this is basically 20 percentage education basically, which is converted into a global warming error basically. This is basically converted into ideas, and ideas basically are created from here basically. So here basically there is error basically when you are dividing the data basically. That is the land basically, 11 parts basically. That time also basically you are getting the error basically. So whenever you are dividing the land basically, that time basically he got this all error basically, right? While dividing basically, this group basically has done some plan basically. In this plan basically that are ideas. In that plan basically its global warming error is also connected. At that time basically this group basically was used, and in this group basically they have connected to the error basically. Why? Because these groups are basically using the data of that thousand cities basically, and when the ideas basically of the dividing basically comes, that time basically this idea basically was used with that's why basically the error basically came with. So this is all one of the part basically you can say of the global warming error basically. So in this basically we had taken this also, incidence group basically who creates that also basically we saw. Now basically this 200 people basically 200 people got the error. That error basically was not solved by the system basically, that was actually supposed to solve, but they have not solved. Due to that basically this 200 convert into the big level error, and here basically more than 50 crore people died. So who will be responsible for this end? 50 crore is already died, so who will be responsible for that? One of the person told that basically Asia land is also basically divided, so anything basically big will happen by chance basically big happen in future basically. If somebody tracked that and somebody's tracked that and big happened basically, so that time basically the dividing land basically is, or data basically that is already created, immediately they divides the data and they shift the planets from the earth planet. That is the Asia land will get separates from the earth planet, that is from the other countries basically. And then basically the set of tasks basically which are they are supposed to do, that they do basically. In that basically few people says that 100 plane is there, 100 plane Everest, 100 weight mountain, these all are basically also there basically. So just see basically division basically happened of the land basically, that means immediately the internet basically got broken basically. Internet got broken, power supply got broken, each and everything basically has broken. So that basically the dummy data basically comes into the picture. Dummy data are equal to the live data of that particular system, that dumps into the system basically, and then basically that dummy data basically are equal to live system, and that data basically is created from the data science group basically, that basically say that basically we are keeping the exact data of the each and every people basically of that 100 plane. So like this basically the 100 plane basically incidents going to happen, that planning basically long before they basically do basically, long before basically they do basically. So just imagine basically up to what level the things basically are connected. So here basically we have saw this also, we saw this also, we saw cyber cell group also basically 50 crore these groups are also involved. We saw this also basically 1300 cities. So we saw almost 50 percentage story basically. Next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the part of the stories.